Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I have included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a wireless charging sound machine. And it's by a company called YIERSHIH. They sent this over for me to test out. And as you can see, it's nice and compact. And it works absolutely great for like next to your bed, or if you're going, even if you're traveling or something like that, because it has that built-in sound noise, which will reduce the sounds of the city around you. And then it also wirelessly can charge almost all phones. So give you an idea, you can see here's what it looks like. Once you open it up, you're also going to get a user manual. We're gonna go over all the little features right here in the video. And then you're gonna get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. This does have a built-in battery. It has a 500 mAh battery, which means you can just operate this as a charger or without being plugged in. Obviously, the lifetime is going to depend on if you're just using it for a sound machine, it'll last a lot longer. Obviously, if you're using it for wireless charging, I would recommend that you plug it in. But how are you going to operate it? In the front, you have a little power button, and that's going to turn on the sounds. Now, you're going to have 6 different sounds. You're going to have just the sounds of like a brook flowing. Then you're going to have the sounds of just kind of like waves, kind of like nature. Then you're gonna have the sounds of like a crackling fire. This is just the white noise sound. Then you have a lullaby sound. And then you have rain and thunder sound. And then you're back to the brook. Now, to increase the volume, just hold down the plus button. To decrease it, just hold down the minus button, which are also how you cycle between the sounds. Press in the middle, and that will go ahead and stop the sound part of it. There is a little clock button, so if you turn it on, you can change the time to where it automatically turns off in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or it just always stays on. So that's a nice feature of it. Now, there's also a mode button. You can do that, and it'll go ahead and put it into Bluetooth mode. So let's say you want to listen to some music from your phone, you can put it on here so it stays nice and charged, and then it's going to put that music through the speaker. So it really does all kinds of stuff to it. But overall, like I said, it's nice and compact. The speaker all comes out of the bottom. It has some nice anti-slip kind of, so it doesn't slide around on your countertop. It plugs in on the back, and then you have a big surface for that wireless charging. Like I said, it should work for your Apple phones, your Google phones, your Samsung phones, as long as they are the latest phones and have that wireless charging technology. It does charge between 5 and 15 watts, depending on the adapter you are utilizing, so it can do that faster charging up to the 15 watts. But overall, it's a great little device, especially for travel. I love to bring this with us when we travel in hotels. Sometimes you get that room that's right next to the hotel lobby, and you can hear people coming and going, and so that sound machine is really, really nice. So if you're in the market for a nice little sound machine that can also be a wireless charger for your phone, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.